Hiya, welcome back to my channel. It's Wendy here from Toonfish Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am doing a collaboration with Trish's, this is hard for me to say, Trish's Creative Crafts. I'll try and put a link here if I can figure out how to do it. And Claire's Crafty Corner, and I'll put her link here if I can figure out to do it. If not, they'll be in the description box. Now then, they're both amazing artists. Go check them out. They're wonderful. I thought what I would do, the brief is basically resin art for Halloween. So what I thought I'd do, I've never done this before, is a tray. I have a tray mould. Yay. Frightens me a little bit, to be honest with you, because it's so big and I don't want to get it wrong. But I'm going to go for it because, you know, you've got to push yourself, haven't you? And yeah, let's see how I get on. By the way, don't forget to share, click subscribe, and come back and see me next week. I'll be at the end though, so don't worry. I'll be back with the item to show you all the faults and everything that I did wrong. Okay, take care. I really enjoyed that. I did not think it was going to come out as nice. Putting those embellishments in really made it. And here it is. One trick or treat tray. Have you seen Claire's trays? They're amazing. They really are. I had something to live up to there. But I really enjoyed making this. Like I said, I've never done it before, and it was scary because I'd never done it before. But it was actually fairly simple, to be fair. But look, I put some feet on the bottom. But isn't that, that would be so cool to hand out your trick-or-treats on, don't you think? Trick-or-treat. Yay! I'm so chuffed. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I'll put some stills up at the end. Go check out Claire's Crafty Corner and Trish's Creative Crafts. I got it right. Thanks for joining me. Bye.